Taking brotherly love to a whole new level, a little boy saving his baby brother after a horrifying car crash. ABC's Gloria Riviera has the story.
It could have been a catastrophe.
Engine 26. Overturned vehicle at Airport Boulevard.
A mother driving the family SUV, her two boys, ages 10 and 1, buckled in the back, enters an intersection when a FedEx truck hits them, flipping the car upside down.
I thought that he was hurt because he was screaming.
The family trapped inside. 10-year-old Grayson trying to escape with an injured arm when he realizes baby brother Preston is helpless and needs him.
With my arm that was hurt, I held him up. And then with my good arm, I undid the latches because they're really hard to do.
Uncanny calm and bravery from just a little boy saving his own little brother.
He went into action and saved his little brother. And not only is he our hero, but he's also his little brother's superhero.
FedEx saying their concern is with the Wilkinson family tonight. As for Grayson, he says he'd do it again, and in the future, he'll do whatever it takes to make sure Preston is always okay.
He's a little fussy sometimes, but I still love him.
Two brothers with a bond it would seem nothing can break.
Amazing story. Thank you, Gloria, and thank you for watching. I'm Dan Harris in New York. See you on GMA first thing in the morning. Have a good evening and great night.